Hello everyone, let's continue our Linux basic session. So in this video we will understand the Linux file permission. Linux file permission means a permission which are being assigned to any txt file, .pdf file or a directory and something like that, directory of files that contains the permissions. So in practical scenario, the permissions mean when you are assigning a particular task to someone that hey, you have to browse a glass of water, hey, you have to just browse a plate of food, then you are just assigning a permission that you are permitted to work to do this work, and you are only permitted to do this work only. So this is what mean. So in we talk to permissions in general life scenario. So let's come on our Linux life. So on Linux there is three terms: user, group, others, in which the permission is assigned to these three individuals, in which users means if you are using your system, then you are a user, like when you are using your name as virus as I use, so it's your username. Group means the number of individual which are being assigned in a particular task, like me, you, someone else working in a VH group, and the combinations of people which are being working together. So that are being assigned as group. When we talk in general life scenario, then when a number of people work together on particular task, then you just assign a particular task to them to do this work only. All of the members which are being stand there, a group of people, or you call team in general life, and the rest of things comes under others. So let's understand on Linux that what is it comes on Linux system. So here's my display. So I'm using ParrotOS as I create all my videos on this system only, and it's a Debian based system, Linux based, and this command will also work on Ubuntu and other more distributions. So let's start our terminal. Okay, so let me try to explain you in simple terms. So for that, let's get into this test folder. Yeah, as you can see, I am inside this one. So let's type ls to check the content of this folder. Yeah, as you can see, there is two folders, desktop and test. It means that we are not inside this folder, we are on desktop. So to get into this folder, we have to click cd test. Yeah, now we are inside this folder, as you can see here, cd test. So now check the content of the particular folder on which we are going to test our Linux file permissions and rewrite them. So type ls. As you can see, there is a folder and there is a text file. Let me show you here by which you can understand. Yeah, so there is basically one folder named vh group and one text file named as vhgroup.txt. So let's check the permission which are being assigned to this particular folder or file. So for that we have to type ls -l. So as you can see, this is our directory. These are the permissions which are being assigned to particular directory, and this is the user who created this directory, and a lot of information, PID and month, date, time. So let's try to break it out, that what it actually means, and try to clear out all your queries. If you get any query, please comment in our comment box. It will help us to understand you are getting or not, and it will also motivate us to create more and more videos for you guys and free courses too. So let's understand this. So basically The last three digits mean this is the permission for others, and second one means this is the permissions for group, and this 3 1 means this is the permissions for user. Now a question arises, then what is this and what is this? So basically D means it's a directory, as you can see here. D means it's a directory, and minus means it's a folder like txt, sorry, it's a file like txt file, pdf, something like that. So this will be common, either it will be D or minus. So now let's break it, what this mean, what this mean, and what this last one mean. So this actually means this is the permission for user. So as you can see, virus is the username of mine which I am using. So this is read, write, execute permissions. R for read, W for write, and X for execute. And this is for user. Second one is for group, in which multiple people are assigned. So group contains the permissions write and execute. And the third one means other, the rest one, which means it contains the permission write and execute. So let's understand how to assign a particular permissions and how to rewrite it. So basically, if you want to assign read, write, execute permissions, then we have to understand the 4 digits which are being involved in ls file permission, which are 4, 5, 6, 7. So basically 7 means the permissions read, write, execute. 6 means the permissions read, write. 5 means the permissions read and execute, and 4 means the permissions only read. So let me repeat it again. 7 means write, read, execute. 6 means read and write. 5 means read and execute, and 4 means read only. So as you can see, the users contain the permission read and execute, means I am containing this permission read and execute, that I can do anything with this folder. I can read this one, I can write this one, I can execute this one as well. And this group contain the permissions read and execute, and this third one, others, contain the permission read and execute. So basically read, write, execute been assigned with letter 7, numerical value 7, and this one means this users contain read, write, and execute permission which are being assigned by 7. And the second one, group contain read and execute permissions which is being assigned by 5. And rx means read and execute, which is for others, which are being assigned by 5. The both is same. And 4 means the read only, as here you can see R is for read only. And 6 means write and read. Let me create a table here. So this is one. So 7 means read, write, execute. 6 means write and read. 5 means read and execute, and 4 means read only. So let's try to change the permission of this directory. For that we have to use chmod. If you want to just assign read, write, execute for users, read, write, execute for group, and read, write, execute for other, then you have to click the command 777.vih group. So I assign, let's check it out, it's working or not. ls -l. Yeah, as you can see, it's contained the whole permission write, read, execute, write, read, execute, and write, read, execute. let's try to do another. If you want to assign read and execute to others, and read and execute to group, and rewrite execute for user, then you have to press the button chmod, and here you have to assign 755 ls minus l. So as you can see, read write execute for user, write and execute is for group, and read and execute for others. So I think it has been clear. Let's try to take another example, that if you want to just assign permission, read and write to user, and read to group, and read to others, then we have to type chmod 644 vih group, yeah, ls minus l. So as you can see, it's working fine. So same procedure will be this one too. So let me show you. chmod 777, I'm assigning full permission, vih group.txt ls minus l. So as you can see, it's working. So I hope you understand this one. So if you get any kind of query, any kind of suggestion, anything else related to this session or in cybersecurity, you can mail us on support@vihgroup.com, and you can also check out our website trainings.vihgroup.com, where we started some of the free courses and some of the courses for financial aid student, which is absolutely free. So let me show you, trainings.vihgroup.com. So a lot of courses are available there for free. You can enjoy it and learn it as well. We just started this for epidemic, and I hope you learn a lot of things. So let's see our website, and thank you. I hope you will be secure and everyone will secure. So stay tuned.
Pick up the phone.